What you are about to see is incredible. These inventions will leave you speechless, so sit back and enjoy these incredible inventions that will blow your mind. This is a remarkable invention that will change the world. With a movement speed of up to 10 meters per second and an acceleration of up to 100 meters per second squared, the Stardust Astrobot S1 is a true marvel of modern robotics. Capable of carrying up to 10 kilograms on each arm, this robot is redefining industry standards for efficiency and precision. Under the direction of Elon Musk, Stardust has created a machine that is not only fast, but also performs tasks with impressive accuracy. The Astrobot S1 can perform movements with astonishing precision, making it ideal for a wide range of industrial and logistical applications. The Astrobot S1's artificial intelligence allows it to not only learn and adapt, but also to predict and plan its actions. This means it can anticipate obstacles and adjust its route in real time, minimizing errors and optimizing execution time. The company is committed to continuous innovation, and the Astrobot S1 is a clear example of this commitment, constantly improving through software updates that enhance its abilities. If you thought that was incredible, wait until you see what's next. We're about to go beyond what we ever imagined. An innovative approach to kangaroo deterrence. Every year, tens of thousands of drivers collide with kangaroos on Australia's roads, resulting not only in costly vehicle damage, but also a high death toll for the animals. To address this problem, an adventure began 3 years ago to create the world's first scientifically proven vehicle kangaroo deterrent. This vehicle, called the Roo Badge, is designed to protect both drivers and wildlife. Roo Badge connects to a car app that automatically activates the device when driving through areas known to be high in kangaroo collisions. The technology behind the Roo Badge is revolutionary. It uses a combination of sounds that are important to kangaroos, such as bird alarm calls, predator sounds, and kangaroo footfalls, along with synthetic sounds. These sounds are specifically designed to scare kangaroos and keep them away from roads. Unlike standard speakers that broadcast sound in all directions, the Roo Badge uses directional speakers that emit a focused beam of sound well in front of the vehicle. This ensures that the sound reaches the kangaroos at the right distance to deter them from crossing the road before the vehicle gets too close. If you were amazed by this technological marvel, you will be equally impressed by this next invention. It's time for another amazing invention. The hail protection system stands out for its ability to be quickly installed and ready to protect your vehicle in just a few minutes after a brief initial practice. Once activated, it provides immediate protection against hail, ensuring complete protection for your vehicle within a maximum of 5 minutes. After use, it can be easily disassembled and stored in a compact sleeping bag style bag for the next use. This innovative system has been extensively tested to prove its durability in extreme conditions, with wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour. Its design fits securely around the vehicle's wheels, and by following the recommended positioning, prevents wind from penetrating under the cover. By creating a high-volume air wrap around the vehicle, it effectively counteracts wind force with resistance generated by the system. In addition to its hail protection effectiveness, the hail protection system is a practical and convenient solution for any vehicle owner who needs quick protection from inclement weather, especially during unexpected hailstorms. Available in silver and black. This is just the first step of what's to come. Get ready for even more intense excitement with the next discoveries. It's time to discover cutting-edge technology with Hongchang's advanced food delivery robot system. This innovative robot is designed to transform the restaurant industry by providing an exceptional culinary experience. With a compact design and superior functionality, this AI-powered food delivery robot not only optimizes the operational efficiency of your restaurant, but also provides a unique and memorable dining experience for your customers. Hongchang's food delivery robot system perfectly adapts to any restaurant configuration and design, whether it's a fine dining restaurant, a fast food chain, or a cozy coffee shop. Each delivery robot is manufactured under strict quality control in the company's own factory, ensuring durability and performance. Hongchang offers not only a product, but also a complete service, with dedicated sales and technical support teams, as well as comprehensive training for distributors and global partners. Adopting Hongchang's food delivery robot technology transforms the dining experience for all customers. Implementing Hongchang's food delivery robot system in a restaurant not only improves operational efficiency, but also accelerates business growth. If this discovery surprised you, wait for the next one that'll leave you speechless. Interested in extraordinary inventions that'll leave you speechless? Solskin is redefining the standards of sustainable architecture with dynamic and adaptable designs that transform any project. By elegantly combining intelligent shading with solar energy generation through movable panels, this system can reduce a building's energy consumption by up to 80%. An unprecedented level of comfort is achieved through the use of AI-based self-adaptive control. The movable building envelope intelligently adapts to the needs of the occupants and the environment, providing an excellent and sustainable response to climate and energy challenges. With Solskin, not only is the use of resources optimized, but a livable space is created that improves the quality of life for the occupants while caring for the environment. Integration of the Solskin Sorglo service to provide regular software updates. And this is just the beginning, because what comes next? Is it even possible? The revolutionary Brailleon Ultra Reality desktop monitor redefines the visual experience with its unique ability to deliver image depth. This feature not only dramatically expands the field of view and screen size, but also provides unprecedented immersion in content and visualizations. Imagine enjoying a virtual 122-inch image where every detail is presented with stunning clarity and unprecedented definition. Thanks to meticulous simulations conducted by Brailleon engineers, the 3D profile of the depth plane has been carefully optimized to provide the perfect balance between immersion and visual comfort. This means your eyes will feel less fatigued while experiencing ultra-smooth images and vibrant colors that immerse you in digital content. The Brailleon Ultra Reality monitor not only transports you visually, but also enhances your viewing experience with ultra-smooth frame rates and a dynamic color range that captures the richness and intensity of every scene. Experience sharp, true-to-life images that make you part of the action and provide a visual experience that exceeds all previous expectations. Prepare to disbelieve your eyes as you enter the world of Brailleon Ultra Reality. And if that impressed you, the next one will push the limits of the imaginable. A stunning invention from the future. Elevate your home experience with Opula, the next-generation intelligent coffee table that redefines functionality and entertainment. Designed with innovation in mind, Opula not only automatically adjusts its height, but also features a 27-inch 4K HD screen that tilts up to 75 degrees to ensure you always enjoy perfect viewing angles, whether you're watching movies, playing games, or comfortably working from home. One of Opula's standout features is its interactive screen, which allows you to draw directly on it, adding a creative and personal touch to your space. Equipped with a powerful AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS mini PC, this smart table can easily handle demanding tasks while offering Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity for fast and stable wireless connections with your devices. The audio experience is further enhanced with high-quality, full-range built-in speakers that immerse you in clear, enveloping sound for uncompromised enjoyment of music, movies, or games. In addition, Opula's ambient lighting complements your space with an adjustable ambiance to suit your mood and needs. We're just getting started, because what's next is a true revolution, an idea that defies all expectations. Inventions that defy expectations. The Ringbot, a revolutionary unicycle robot designed for the future of delivery and personal mobility, incorporates advanced technology to ensure unmatched stability and maneuverability. Its unique design features a large 515mm diameter wheel made of a durable nylon and carbon blend, covered with a solid elastomer tire for optimal grip and a variety of surfaces. At its core, the Ringbot uses two motorized modules that act as rotors within the wheel, continuously adjusting its center of gravity to maintain balance and smoothly change direction. These modules are also equipped with extendable robotic legs designed to provide stability when the robot is stationary or to assist in the event of a fall, ensuring safe and efficient movement. During initial remote-controlled testing, the Ringbot demonstrated its capabilities by reaching speeds of up to 5 km per hour and navigating a 400-meter outdoor course. Equipped with a 2300 mAh 11.1-volt battery, the robot managed to cover a distance of nearly 3 kilometers in 37 minutes. This performance confirms its potential to be a versatile and effective solution for deliveries and urban mobility in the near future. Think this was amazing? Wait and see what's next. We're about to push the boundaries of what's possible. The Pininfarina Wind Tunnel represents the pinnacle of aerodynamic and aeroacoustic testing technology, providing automakers with unparalleled strategic resource for optimizing vehicle design and performance. Equipped with the latest technologies and advanced methodologies, the tunnel enables precise and realistic measurements essential for improving energy efficiency, aerodynamic stability, and passenger comfort. The Pininfarina Wind Tunnel's innovative ground effect simulation system, GESS, is essential for replicating the dynamic conditions of a moving vehicle on different surfaces. Using 4 rollers and 3 moving belts synchronized with the flow speed, the GESS accurately simulates how the vehicle interacts with the ground, allowing critical adjustments to the aerodynamic design to improve efficiency and stability. In addition, the tunnel's turbulence generation system uses an innovative approach with 5 pairs of flapping wings to generate controlled turbulence. These turbulences, distributed along the von Karman spectrum, mimic the real-world flow conditions encountered by vehicles on the road. We're wrapping up for now, but don't leave without liking and subscribing. You can watch the rest of our videos or activate the bell to stay tuned for more.